It's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I'm back to show you how I created this double Dutch braided hairstyle. For this, we're going to start with a middle parting. The rest of the hair that we do not need is just tied in a low ponytail. I'm sectioning off a triangle shaped part from the top. This goes into 3 equal strands, and now when we have those 3 strands, we start with the strand from the middle parting that goes under the middle strand, and then the right one under the middle strand. Again, go under with the strand from the top and add some hair to it. Go under with the strand, hold between thumb and your index finger and add in some more hair. Same thing on the other side. You always go first under the middle strand, go under it, hold the hair tight, fingers close to the scalp and add in some hair. Do the same again on your left hand side. Bring the strand under, add in some hair. Bring the strand under and bring in some hair. The line you want to braid is diagonal from the middle of the parting on the top until where you have your neck combined to your trapezius, more or less. This is what is your guideline, so imagine this line to braid neatly until there's no more hair to incorporate. Make sure that the hair that you add in from the bottom, now from down, before you have the last 2 strands to add in, is tight, brought into your braid. Otherwise it will loosen up and it does not look so nice and so neat. This is the last strand from the right hand side, and then when there is hair left, just add it in and now do a regular stitch from a Dutch braid, and then I tied this off with a little elastic. To make the braid look wider, pull gently the outer edges from each of the stitches and do exactly the same procedure on the other side. So we start again by making a diagonal parting, and then you have the 3 strands and you do always the same. Start from the top, and after you brought under a strand, you add in hair. Same thing, I just show it here a bit faster. When there's no more hair to add in, make 1 regular stitch and then tie off with a tiny elastic. You can cover these elastics up, or you just leave it like this, add some bows, whatever is convenient for you. This is the final result. If you like it, please comment down below and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We are uploading videos nearly 3 to 5 times a week. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. Bye bye.